Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am, again. Good morning, ma'am. You will take our English. Ma'am, you will take our Hindi grammar class from today.
Good morning,
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, children. Yes. Now,
Ma'am,
yes, beta, it is a combined class because 4th A and 4th B teacher is absent today. So I'm taking all 3 classes. Is that fine?
okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Just wait.
Very
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Now,
Ma'am,
we
this is
have to do something in common, right? That can be done with 4th A, B, and C. All three sections. Now, what is that common thing that we are going to do?
Good morning.
Ma'am, a game.
Yes, I also think we should play a game only. Class 4th C, this is supposed to be your English
morning, ma'am.
creative period, right?
And ma'am, 4th B is English grammar.
4th, it's
Ma'am,
Hindi
Hindi
grammar.
grammar.
4th B, it is Hindi
Hindi
grammar.
grammar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, class 4th C, listen. Where are class 4th C students? I can't see any students of class 4th C here. Ah,
I am off phone. No, ma'am, there are two students.
Ma'am, I am also Ma'am, I am also from 4th unit.
4th C. Okay, 4th C,
Ma'am,
what
I
are
am
you
also.
doing in English creative? What are you doing in English creative?
Morning, ma'am. Ma'am, which class?
4th C. What is being done in English creative now?
Ma'am, paragraph writing.
Paragraph
We have done of morning walk.
You have done paragraph writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now, do you know the syllabus for your finals?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the syllabus, Yashmit? Tell me.
Ma'am, it is paragraph writing.
Ma'am,
Okay. Then,
Ma'am, speech writing.
English comprehension, formal
Ma'am,
letter.
yes, ma'am, formal letter, comprehension, passage, diary entry, speech writing.
Yes. And paragraph writing is not there.
Okay, ma'am.
Paragraph writing is not there. Now we have an elaborated form of paragraph writing, that is speech writing. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now for classes 4th A, B, and C, the common thing that I can do with all of you is creative writing class. Yes. There'll be a creative writing class because in all three sections, I take it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to share a topic with you of a formal letter. Yes?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. You have to write a formal letter. Let me just take out a topic and then I'll write on the screen. Till then, everyone go and get your creative writing copies. Everybody just go.
Ma'am, today I am keeping my camera off because ma'am, connection is not there.
Yes, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, English creative. Ma'am, English creative copy.
Yes.
Yes, yes, English creative.
And what we are doing?
Beta, we are doing creative writing.
I'm fourth A also.
Yes, all 3 sections.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, listen to the topic very carefully. First, I'll speak the topic and then I'll write it on the screen. You are absent for your midterm exams. Okay, your midterm exams were held in the school, but you were absent for that. Write a letter to your school principal giving reason for your absence and asking if you could be allowed to sit for the exams at a later date. Okay. Firstly, you have to tell the reason why you were absent. And secondly, you have to seek permission asking that he may permit you to sit for your exams at a later date. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so you have to write
Yes,
a
ma'am.
formal letter on this topic. Now I'll write it on the screen also. Till then, put today's date, write down the heading, formal
Your
letter.
voice is cutting.
I'm writing on the screen, beta, wait.
What is the my screen is paused.
Ma'am, what is midterm?
Beta, midterm is like
Half
half
yearly.
yearlies.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is the whole thing that you have to write the letter of.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is written after for your?
For your absence, giving reason for your absence.
What is brainstorm?
These are the helping points that I'm giving you in this thing, around which you can write your letter.
Ma'am, we will also write this brainstorm form.
Beta, don't write it. You may just go through it. Okay. These are the helping points around which you'll be writing your letter. If you want to write, you can write.
Ma'am, what is mishap?
Ma'am,
Beta, mishappening is when something unfortunate happens, like an accident or something, mishappening in family.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is meaning of mid? M-I-D?
Meaning of
Ma'am, mid, M-I-D.
midterm, beta, midterm, half yearlies.
Yes, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done till subject, so can I start now my letter?
Yes, beta, you can start writing. Now, this is all that I had to write. Now you may start your work.
Whatever. Mom, I cannot understand the question.
Who cannot understand the question?
Yes, ma'am. Write a letter to your principal giving the reason that.
Beta, what can't you understand? You have to write a formal letter.
Yes,
You have
ma'am,
to
I
write-
know that.
Yes.
Ma'am, when one writes the date. Ma'am, I know that I have to write the formal letter, but ma'am, I cannot only understand the question.
See, beta, why you have to write this letter to the principal? Because you have to seek permission. You have to take permission that whether you can sit for your exams at a later date. Because while the exams were going on, your parents and you were busy somewhere, which you could not help. Yes, your parents were extremely engaged in something very important. There was a mishappening that took place in your family. And for 2 weeks, you were not in your hometown where your school is. You were in Noida for 2 weeks. So you could not appear for your exams. Now you have to tell this detail to the principal of your school and take permission that you can sit for your exams at a later date. That's all.
And when we will write the date, so we will write, ma'am, ma'am, we are in 2021, ma'am, we are writing like 26 November 20XX. So now in ma'am, now it is 2022, so we will write like,
Yes, you can
nine,
write 2022 only. You can write the date when you are writing the letter to the principal, you can write that date.
I have written my letter.
Those who have written will only send on the class group. They will not disturb other students.
Ma'am? Ma'am, what is the meaning of absence? Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, in the subject, can we write like this? Taking permission for giving exam a later date.
Yes, 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 beta. Sit for exams at a later date. Okay? Sit for exams at a later date.
Ma'am, we have to write brainstorm also.
Beta, if you want to write, you may write.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it like compulsory to use the brainstorm word?
Beta, your theme of the letter should be the same. Everyone's letter. Yes, this is the theme around which you are writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I've also written, ma'am, I had done this earlier only, like now, recently completed this. It's been 2-3 minutes, and ma'am, in that 2-3 minutes, I've written a paragraph on my mother. Once again, ma'am. Ma'am, cousin, a class also. Rashmi ma'am told us to write a paragraph.
Okay, beta, what Rashmi ma'am has told you to write, you will tell her, okay? And
No,
you have
ma'am,
written the letter, send it on the class group, that's all.
Ma'am has made us write respected sir before the subject. And ma'am, the correct form is to write respected sir after the subject.
Yes, it should be written after the subject. First the subject and then respected sir, I beg to say that. Like this. This is
But
how you
ma'am,
begin.
Rashmi ma'am has
Ma'am,
But Rashmi ma'am has made us write
said us to
the respected sir before the subject.
Before
No, ma'am,
the-
she told that. Ma'am, she told that you can write honorable sir or respected sir, and after subject you will write most respectfully.
Okay, so if you
Yes,
if
ma'am,
you
like that.
if he has told you to do it this way, beta, do it that way. Don't get
Ma'am, I have
confused.
sent my work on the group.
Okay, very nice, very good.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of absence?
बेटा एब्सेंस का मीनिंग बताऊं मैं आपको क्लास 4th के बच्चे को
Ma'am, absent means that you were absent.
Ma'am, you are not there.
Yes, ma'am.
yes Jaskaran, you want to know the meaning of absence beta
Ma'am, I like ma'am, it is absent or absence?
absent and absence
Ma'am, I like that he was confused in the spelling.
absence is na maujudgi. Yes,
my ashray?
Ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, it is absence or absent, ma'am.
absence
Ma'am, can you please check my ashray?
beta I will check everyone's, don't worry, you only send it there, I'll just check it
Excuse me, ma'am. My
Yes.
formal letter is correct. Ma'am, my letter is correct. Ashray.
Beta, first of all, the spelling of dew. What is the spelling of dew? This dew is the O's that you find in, that you have learnt in science. The droplets of water that you find on leaves in winter days. This dew is that. And with due respect is D-U-E. What we are supposed to use is D-U-E. Okay? No, it is not correct. If the letter is of 10 marks, you are only going to get 5 marks. Ask me why, Ashray. Ashray, now are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am, I'm listening.
Yes. So what is the reason? Read the question carefully. The question is, write a letter to your principal giving reason for your absence. Your letter does not have the reason. Your reason is missing. You are simply saying, I was absent, now allow me. How will the principal come to know that you had a genuine problem at your place? Your reason was genuine to not attend the exams, to not appear for the exams. So if you send this kind of a letter to principal, the principal is going to say, no, we are sorry. Yes, if you really want permission genuinely for something, you have to tell your reason. Write it again. Shobit beta, what letter have you written? You are talking about your disease, huh, Shobit? But I will not accept these kind of letters. If you want to do things just by yourself, on your own, and not adhering to the rules or instructions of the teacher, then what is the point sitting in the class? There's no point.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we write a sentence that there was a mishappening in my family?
Yes. Or you can also write a mishappening took place in my family.
Okay, ma'am.
Pratyaksh beta, I also, your letter also doesn't seem to be a formal letter. Where are those concluding lines? Huh? Hence, I request you, or thanking you in anticipation. Where are those lines, beta? No one has written a nice letter till now.
Ma'am, I said please check my. मैम हम लोग तबीयत को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
What?
मैम हम लोग तबीयत को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
Tabiyat is what is your sentence? Tell me.
Ma'am, your Nani's tabiyat is not well.
Okay, tabiyat is not well is beta simply I am not feeling well. Okay, in English we say I'm not feeling well.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am in the sentence like we will write that मुझे कोरोना हो गया तो फिर मैम how do we will write that?
I was tested corona positive.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please check my work.
Alankrita, wait, I'll check.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Alankrita, beta, you are also talking about your father's transfer.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm saying you are also talking about your father's transfer in this letter.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I will not give you marks. If you do the same in exams, I'm not giving anyone any marks.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have also sent Vamika.
Yes,
Excuse me,
Varshita.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to write the Noida 2 weeks one. So can I like write that they are giving us holidays for 2 weeks? So I went to Noida, and when I wanted to come back, the tickets were not available. Ma'am, can
Okay,
I write
beta.
like
Yes.
this?
Yes.
Ma'am, I sent Akshita.
And subject, ma'am, what we can write? Ma'am, how can we write?
Beta Akshada, yours is fine, but you just have to elaborate a little, telling that what mishappening exactly took place in your family. Yes, you should say
Ma'am,
my cousin or my cousin brother, cousin sister, or my uncle or my close, very close aunt who is unwell or who met with an accident. My parents got engaged with her or him, and I was there with my parents. Anything like that, just elaborate a little and then write this letter.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have forwarded my letter.
Okay, beta, I am simultaneously going through all three sections.
ma'am,
Give me
in
some
subject,
time. Give me
ma'am,
some
we
time to
will-
read everyone's letter. You people keep posting, but don't just pressurize me. Ma'am, I have sent, please tell how is mine. I'm going through everyone's letter.
Ma'am, in subject, can I write like asking for giving my exams at later date?
Yes. To sit for exams at a later date.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done. I am sending on group.
Ma'am, I have sent Yashmat.
Very good.
Ma'am, if ma'am, I will write like I was going to Noida, so I will write the date when I was going, and then when I was tested positive for corona.
Yes, beta. None of you have mentioned the dates.
Ma'am, is it correct? Mine, Yashmat.
Beta, I'm just going through it. Yes, Yashmit, beta, it's correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, the time of the class is over, children. It's time for your next class now.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the brainstorm, there is written Noida 2 weeks. So can we write 1 week?
Yes, you can make that change.
Okay.
Ma'am, please check. I have also sent.
Beta, I'll check your letters and let you know, everyone. Okay.